What's up guys, Jason Smashpop here and I'm currently in Bali. In fact, I just landed and also just checked into the hotel. So as you can see, the view outside the hotel room is amazing, okay? The location is Bali Beach Resort, and why are we here? It's because we are here to witness the launch of the Oppo Find X8 series, and the Oppo Find X8 Pro is already in my hands, okay? And I think by the time you watch this vlog, the reviews and whatever video is already out on my YouTube and also on Instagram, so you already know what this is about, okay? But this video specifically is to bring you guys around Bali and also to check out all the activities and also to witness the launch here in Bali. And we will be here for about 4 days, and it's gonna be an activities filled event, okay? So stay tuned. After this, I will shower, get changed, and we'll move on to the first location for this trip, which is Desa Kitsune. It's basically Maison Kitsune's cafe, but in this area called Desa or something like that, okay? It's a very beautiful place, and we are there because I'll tell you later lah. Okay, see you there. So after getting stuck in the traffic for 1 hour, we finally arrived at Desa Kitsune. They basically took over the whole premise, showcasing the collaboration between Maison Kitsune and also Oppo to create phone cases for the Oppo Find X8 series. So here you can actually see the different cases, and this is how you put them on. It's so simple. The night actually lasted quite a while with some party and some announcement and of course food and drinks. What's up guys, welcome to day 2. Today is the big day because it's the grand launch of the Find X8 series by Oppo. I'm actually currently walking to the launch area, which is conveniently located right beside the hotel, which is great, okay? So the time now is about 12:15. I have about 15 minutes more to grab lunch, and then the launch event will happen at 1 PM. And let me show you the location. That's where the convention hall is. That's where I'm heading to now. Let's go. Okay, so just done with lunch. I am now entering the hall. Let me bring you guys in, okay? So I'm currently seated, and apparently this row behind me is for Malaysians. We are at row number 12, and this is what we are seeing now. I always like aisle seats because I get to see everything and I can just move out from the chair, nice angle like this. Okay guys, just done with the keynote presentation, and now we are at the experiential zone. So in total, Oppo actually announced the Oppo Find X8, Oppo Find X8 Pro, Oppo Enco X3i, and also the Oppo Pad 3 Pro. So 2 phones, 2 headphones, and also 1 tablet, okay? So let's go check them out now. So after the launch event, we were transported to Loka Sea House, which is like a beach bar, and they also took over the whole premise, showcasing some sample photos, the phones that were launched, the devices that they announced today, and of course the whole night was filled with party, photo taking, and also demonstrations of the capability of the cameras, including opportunities for us to capture videos and photos in low light. For example, fireworks and also kecak dance. What's up guys? The party last night at the beach bar was kind of fun. We had like fireworks and all, as you just saw. So today is actually the 3rd day that I'm in Bali. The launch event and activities are done, but today is like an extension whereby we will be having brunch at some nice cafe, and we will also apparently be meeting the king of Ubud. So from where we are now, which is Sanur, we will be traveling to Ubud I don't know what the activity is, but apparently Oppo actually planned it for us to utilize the Oppo Find X8 Pro to take some photos. Okay, so I'll show you guys after the day ends, and tomorrow I will share with you my experience about the phone, using it here in Bali before I end the video. Okay, so stay tuned. The day started off casually with lunch at BYRD House, which is a very nice cafe. We managed to also take some sample photos using the Find X8 Pro there. And after checking out the cafe and a short walk, we move on to the next itinerary in the agenda of the day, which is going to the Ubud Palace. Traffic took about 2 hours, but that's kind of normal now whenever we are in Bali. So here we get to enjoy some traditional culture and also settings, try taking photos with the Find X8 Pro again because we got the chance to see some dance performances. Because that's when we get to fully utilize the different features of the camera, for example the 6x optical zoom, lightning snap and more. What's up guys? So it's day number 4 now in Bali. I'm sure you have seen all the activities that took place during this trip organized by Oppo. I actually really like the dinner we had last night in the Ubud Palace, as you can see. So we are about to check out in 2 hours time. I'm currently still in the bedroom. So I'm gonna wrap this video up by telling you my experience using the Oppo Find X8 Pro, what I like and what I don't like about this phone, okay? Basically, let's start with things that I like about the phone, okay? So the camera is truly amazing. I would say that you can totally trust this camera no matter at which focal length, because previously when I review and use a lot of Android phones, I really do not trust these Android phones to take my photos for me to use on a day-to-day basis. But with this camera, I feel that I can trust it and I can use it on my social platforms because the details and the quality is truly amazing. I especially like the zoom, because like what you have seen in this video, from 0.6 times to all the way to 60 times, it's crazy. The AI really helps to kick in and bring in the details past 10x. So even if you zoom to 60 times, right, you will still kind of get very nice details. But of course, I would say that if you still need visuals or photos that you can use, maintain the zoom to maximum 30 times, because with that, the optical and the AI can actually combine and help you to create a very nice detailed photo. Apart from that, portrait is also very amazing. I also really like two features, okay, that is introduced in this phone, which is lightning snap and also the quick button. So the quick button is basically the button on the side here, okay? It's not a physical button that you can see, but you can see if you look close up, there is this cutout that you can press. I find that I use this quick button a lot to launch the camera because it is very reliable. Like the moment you hold it up, you just double press on the side and then the camera will launch, and then you will be able to capture photos instantly. And you can also use this button to swipe up or down to zoom and then press again to take picture. Lightning snap is very useful when you are trying to capture moving subjects, for example like the kecak dance or whatever, right, that we experienced throughout this trip. So that actually leads to one or two things that I really don't like, but before that, I also want to continue by saying that another feature that I really love about the phone is the feature called touch to share. Okay, so basically with ColorOS 15 we can now use the Oppo phones to transfer photos, files or whatever to an iPhone. Okay, so it's like an airdrop kind of thing, but they call it touch to share. Currently it's November, so the feature that allows the iPhone and also the Android to touch It's not launched yet, but the feature that we have is tapping on the screen to transfer files, and it works flawlessly, okay? But of course, the iPhone needs to install this app called O Plus beforehand, and every time you want to transfer photos, you just need to open the O Plus app on the iPhone and you will be able to detect and transfer files like lightning fast, okay? So this eliminates the barrier between the Android and also the iPhone gratefully, okay? So what I don't like about this phone is that when you take a lot of content like photos and videos, especially if you use Lightning Snap a lot, it tends to process the photos in the background, and hence the photo gallery will lag, okay? It also means that sometimes after you take all the photos, when you want to review, it slows down to a point that you can't tap anything in the gallery app. Like for example, even liking a photo or setting it as favorite will probably take 1 minute to achieve because the processing is just too much in the background. Okay, so I hope in future OTA updates they will be able to fix this software issue. Other than that, it gets hot really quickly. You can actually feel it, okay, like after taking some photos or videos, it heats up. So what I suggest is use casing. The casing usually just comes with the box, or if you want to use one of those Maison Kitsune collab Oppo casing, you can, because they look really good, and my favorite is actually the shimmering fox one. So yeah, so that's basically a few things that I like and don't like about the Oppo Find X8 Pro after using it every day in Bali here for the last 4 days. The price is $4,999 onwards. It comes in 2 colors. Boring. The X8 comes in more exciting colors like pink and gold and stuff like that. But if you want the Pro version, you only get the black or white. So yeah, I guess that's it. If you want to see more content, more sample photos and videos from the X8 Pro, you can actually check out my Instagram. Sample photos, sample videos are all there. So I'll see you guys in the next video. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel, share this video with your friends, and yeah, follow me on Instagram, TikTok. I'm on Blue Sky now as well. So yeah, see you guys in the next video. Bye.